Hi viewers! Did you know that spending time in a well-designed outdoor space can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being? It's true. Studies have shown that immersing yourself in nature can reduce stress, boost your mood, and even improve your overall health. Many of us are missing out on this incredible opportunity because our outdoor spaces are uninspiring and neglected. That's where we come in. Welcome to our channel, where we're on a mission to help you transform your outdoor space into a haven of beauty, tranquility, and inspiration. If you're joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos about gardening and outdoor living. We've got plenty of tips, ideas, and inspiration to share, and we can't wait to help you unleash the full potential of your outdoor space. And let's get started on this journey together. You step outside into your garden, and suddenly, you're transported to a scene straight out of a storybook. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the gentle rustle of leaves dances in the breeze. This isn't just any garden. It's a rustic farmhouse garden, a sanctuary where simplicity meets elegance, and nature embraces you like an old friend. In a world filled with hustle and bustle, there's something truly magical about stepping into a rustic garden. It's a place where time seems to slow down, and you can forget about your worries as you immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're a seasoned gardener with years of experience or a complete beginner just dipping your toes into the world of gardening, there's something for everyone in a rustic farmhouse garden. It's a space that welcomes you with open arms, inviting you to explore, create, and connect with nature in a way that feels deeply personal and meaningful. But what exactly is it about rustic farmhouse gardens that makes them so special? Well, for starters, there's the undeniable beauty of it all. From the weathered wood accents to the vintage decor, every element is carefully chosen to evoke a sense of rustic elegance that's both timeless and captivating. And then there's the tranquility, the feeling of peace and calm that washes over you as soon as you step foot into your garden. It's a feeling that's hard to put into words, but one that leaves you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed, ready to face whatever the world throws your way. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of a rustic farmhouse garden is the connection it fosters with nature. In a world that's becoming increasingly disconnected from the natural world, spending time in a garden like this reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things, of our interconnectedness with the earth and all its creatures. So whether you're dreaming of creating your own rustic retreat or simply looking for a way to add a touch of rustic charm to your outdoor living space, a rustic farmhouse garden is sure to capture your heart and ignite your imagination. It's a place where beauty, tranquility, and connection come together in perfect harmony, a place where you can truly feel at home. Continuing our journey into the enchanting world of rustic farmhouse gardens, let's take a closer look at the key elements that bring these gardens to life. First up, we have weathered wood accents. Now you might be wondering why reclaimed wood is so important in garden design. Well, besides adding a touch of rustic charm, using reclaimed wood is also an eco-friendly choice that helps reduce waste and minimize our impact on the environment. From fences to pergolas to raised garden beds, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating weathered wood into your outdoor space. And the best part? The natural weathering of the wood only adds to the rustic aesthetic, giving your garden that timeless, lived-in look that's so characteristic of farmhouse style. Next, let's talk about vintage decor. Vintage items play a crucial role in bringing the farmhouse aesthetic to life, adding a sense of history and nostalgia to your outdoor space. Whether it's antique furniture, metal lanterns, or salvaged architectural pieces, these vintage treasures help create a sense of warmth and authenticity that's hard to replicate with modern furnishings. And let's not forget how vintage decor contributes to the overall elegance of a rustic garden, adding a touch of sophistication that elevates the entire space. Let's discuss the color palette. When it comes to creating a country garden, soft greens, warm browns, and muted grays are the way to go. These earthy tones not only complement the natural beauty of your surroundings, but also enhance the rustic landscape of your garden. Imagine the lush greenery against a backdrop of warm browns and muted grays. It's a color palette that feels both soothing and inviting, creating a harmonious balance that's sure to leave you feeling inspired. So there you have it, the key elements of a rustic farmhouse garden. From weathered wood accents to vintage decor to a carefully curated color palette, these elements come together to create a space that's as beautiful as it is timeless. So why wait? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start transforming your outdoor space into the rustic retreat of your dreams. Now, let's focus on creating cozy spaces within your rustic farmhouse garden. Imagine you've spent the day tending to your garden, and now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But to truly unwind, you need a comfortable place to sit, and that's where seating areas come in. In a rustic outdoor space, comfortable seating is essential for creating a welcoming and relaxing environment. After all, what's the point of having a beautiful garden if you can't kick back and enjoy it? That's why it's important to choose seating options that not only look great, but also feel great to sit in. When it comes to seating ideas for your rustic garden, the possibilities are endless. Adirondack chairs, with their classic design and ergonomic comfort, are a popular choice. Wooden benches offer a more traditional feel, perfect for adding a rustic touch to your outdoor space. And if you really want to take relaxation to the next level, why not consider adding a hammock? There's something about gently swaying in the breeze that instantly melts away stress and tension. But comfortable seating is just the beginning. To truly create a cozy outdoor sanctuary, it's all about the details. Adding cushions, throws, and blankets not only provides extra comfort, but also adds a touch of rustic home decor to your space. Picture soft, plush cushions and earthy tones, draped with cozy throws and blankets. It's the perfect invitation to curl up with a good book or simply enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. So whether you're looking to create a quiet spot for morning coffee or a cozy nook for afternoon naps, seating areas are the key to making your rustic farmhouse garden feel like home. With the right combination of comfort and style, you can create a space that's perfect for relaxation, reflection, and rejuvenation. So go ahead, grab a seat, kick back, and let the tranquility of your garden wash over you. Now let's talk about choosing the right plants for your rustic farmhouse garden. When it comes to creating a beautiful garden, plant selection is key. But with so many options out there, how do you know which plants are right for your space? Well, in a rustic garden, it's all about embracing the natural beauty of your surroundings. One of the first things to consider when choosing plants for your rustic garden is selecting native flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Not only are native plants well suited to your climate and soil conditions, but they also help support local wildlife and ecosystems. Plus, there's something inherently charming about incorporating plants that are native to your area into your garden design. But it's not just about choosing the right types of plants, it's also about creating a harmonious arrangement that's pleasing to the eye. That means thinking about texture, color, and height when planning your garden layout. By mixing and matching plants with different textures and colors, you can create visual interest and depth in your garden beds. And don't forget about height. Incorporating plants of varying heights helps create a sense of balance and structure in your garden design. But perhaps the most important consideration when choosing plants for your rustic garden is their impact on local pollinators. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollinating plants and ensuring a healthy ecosystem. By including pollinator-friendly plants in your garden, you not only attract these beautiful creatures, but also help support their populations. So whether you're planting a row of vibrant wildflowers, a bed of fragrant herbs, or a patch of delicious vegetables, choosing the right plants is essential for creating a thriving rustic farmhouse garden. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful, but also supports local wildlife and adds to the natural beauty of your surroundings. Now let's add some whimsical and personal touches to your rustic farmhouse garden. Imagine strolling through your garden and stumbling upon a tiny world filled with miniature houses, whimsical figurines, and lush greenery. That's the magic of creating a fairy garden, a whimsical addition that adds a touch of fantasy to your outdoor space. Whether you're young or young at heart, there's something truly enchanting about designing your own miniature paradise. But whimsy doesn't stop there. To truly bring your rustic garden to life, consider adding birdhouses, feeders, and baths to attract birds to your landscape. Not only do these charming additions provide food and shelter for our feathered friends, but they also add a delightful element of movement and life to your outdoor space. And let's not forget about the subtle charm of wind chimes, rustic signs, and hand-painted plaques. These simple yet elegant touches add a touch of personality and rustic beauty to your garden decor, transforming your outdoor space into a place of charm and tranquility. But what if you want to take things a step further and add a personal touch to your rustic retreat? That's where DIY projects come in. From reclaimed wood planters to pallet furniture to hand-painted signs, the possibilities are endless when it comes to adding your own unique flair to your garden. And don't be afraid to get creative repurposing old items like tires, and vintage buckets can add a touch of rustic charm and personality to your outdoor sanctuary. So whether you're adding whimsical touches or diving into DIY projects, adding a personal touch to your rustic farmhouse garden is sure to make it feel like home. With a little bit of creativity and a lot of love, you can create a space that's as unique and charming as you are. Now, let's talk about how to keep your rustic farmhouse garden looking its best year-round. Maintaining a garden takes time and effort, but with the right gardening tips and techniques, you can ensure that your outdoor sanctuary remains beautiful and thriving. From plant care to seasonal maintenance, there are a few key things to keep in mind to keep your garden looking its best. First and foremost, it's important to stay on top of plant care. That means watering your plants regularly, especially during hot and dry weather, and keeping an eye out for any signs of pests or disease. By staying vigilant and addressing any issues early on, you can help keep your plants healthy and happy. In addition to regular watering, it's also important to fertilize your plants to ensure they're getting the nutrients they need to thrive. Mulching your garden beds can help retain moisture and suppress weeds, while pruning your shrubs and trees can promote healthy growth and flowering. But maintenance isn't just about caring for your plants. It's also about taking the time to enjoy and appreciate your garden. Spending regular time outdoors, whether it's tending to your plants or simply relaxing in your outdoor space, can have a profound impact on your well-being. So don't forget to carve out some time in your schedule to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of your garden. By following these maintenance tips and techniques, you can ensure that your rustic farmhouse garden remains beautiful and bountiful year-round. With a little bit of love and care, your outdoor sanctuary will continue to be a source of joy and inspiration for years to come. As we come to the end of our journey into rustic farmhouse garden ideas, I hope you're feeling inspired and excited to transform your outdoor space. Throughout this video, we've explored the timeless charm and tranquility of rustic farmhouse gardens, from weathered wood accents to whimsical touches and everything in between. It's been a journey filled with creativity, beauty, and endless possibilities. I want to encourage you to take what you've learned today and use it to create a personal, charming outdoor space that reflects your unique style and personality. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to add a few rustic touches to your existing garden, remember that the process is just as important as the end result. So don't be afraid to explore, be creative, and enjoy the journey of garden makeover. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to like, share, and comment on this video. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create content that inspires and delights fellow nature enthusiasts like yourself. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on farmhouse outdoor and garden design. We've got plenty of tips, ideas, and inspiration to share, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. In closing, I want to thank you for joining us on this journey and wish you all the best in your gardening adventures. May your gardens be filled with beauty, joy, and plenty of happy memories. Until next time, happy gardening.